Traditional macroeconomic models can give us an idea of the functioning of an economic system, but cannot explain or predict some extraordinary events like, for example, the 2008 financial crisis. That is exactly what heterogeneous agent models are for. Studying heterogeneous agent models in macroeconomics is important because it offers a more accurate and nuanced understanding of the economy, which is composed of different agents with different behaviors, preferences, and constraints. Within the course Heterogeneous Agent Models in Macroeconomics, you will be able to understand and predict the behavior of the economy, to inform better policy decisions, and to contribute to the development of more equitable and efficient economic systems. By the end of the class, you will have a strong understanding of the key models and methods used to study heterogeneity in macroeconomics. And you will be equipped to critically evaluate the ability of these models to capture real-world phenomena. Join us! Enroll today!